Yeah, so what's up, people? Welcome back to Justus Drawings. It's your boy Justus. So, if you want to learn how to draw, you want to learn how to sketch, you are an art enthusiast, or you just want to see me do stupid stuff in the name of art, please hit that subscribe button down below. Videos are posted every week, so you don't want to miss this. For those who have been here since the channel started, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So today, in the mood for Valentine's, I'll be drawing an emotional picture, I guess. So I hope you like the drawing, I hope you like the video. Yeah, so if you do, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know what you want to see being drawn in the channel. Let me know what you want me to teach you how to draw. Yeah, so let's get right into the video.
Just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. the best.